I'm Robert Chapin, and we're doing a sword fighting class at DragonCon. I've been doing this swordplay thing for over 40 years. I've worked on films such as Hook and Army of Darkness, and starred in films such as Ring of Steel, Dragon Fury, and The Hunted. I've also done my share of live shows. So if you want to step up your cosplay game with a cool sword fight or choreographed combat, I can teach you that. During my 40 years in the biz, I've worked with stars such as Robin Williams, Carl Urban, Mark Singer, Dante Basco, John Saxon, Anthony DeLongis, TJ Storm, and Richard Lynch. In 2 hours, I could teach you the basics of swordplay that's in virtually every film and TV show. No experience necessary. Seriously, this is not rocket science. You could totally learn to do this stuff. So it's cool, it's fun, and it's totally safe. It's mostly safe. No, it's totally safe. So what are you waiting for? Let's do this!